Do you know what the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet are? Well, today, we're going to embark on a culinary journey to discover the top 3 champions of nutrition. These foods pack a punch in terms of vitamins, minerals, and other essential elements that our bodies crave. Incorporating these powerhouses into our diet can make a world of difference to our health and well-being. We'll be counting down the top 3, each with their unique nutritional profiles. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of nutrient-dense foods. Starting our countdown at number 3, we have salmon. This vibrant pink-hued fish is a true powerhouse when it comes to nutrition. It's packed with high-quality protein, providing the building blocks your body needs to repair, maintain, and grow. But protein isn't all that salmon brings to the table. It's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. These fatty acids can help lower blood pressure, slow the development of plaque in the arteries, and reduce the likelihood of heart attacks and strokes. In addition, salmon is a wonderful source of essential vitamins and minerals. It's filled with B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production and brain function, and it's one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D, which is key for bone health and immune function. So, the next time you're planning a meal, consider adding this nutrient powerhouse to your menu. Moving up on our list to number 2, we find the green leafy superfood, kale. This unassuming vegetable packs a punch when it comes to nutritional value. With its high fiber content, kale aids in digestion, keeping your system functioning smoothly. But it doesn't stop there. Kale is a powerhouse of antioxidants that help protect your body from harmful free radicals. Moreover, kale is a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K, providing more than your daily requirements in just a single cup. This green gem also contains essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. But the benefits of kale extend beyond basic nutrition. The vitamin A in kale promotes eye health, helping to keep your vision sharp. Meanwhile, its high vitamin C content boosts your immune system, helping you fend off those pesky colds and flus. With all these benefits packed into one leafy green, it's no wonder kale takes the second spot on our list. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, the most nutrient-dense food on the planet is spirulina. Now this might come as a surprise to some, but this blue-green algae is a real nutrient superstar. Spirulina, you see, is an absolute protein powerhouse. It's packed with all the essential amino acids your body needs to thrive. In fact, it contains more protein per gram than most plant-based sources, making it an excellent choice for those on a plant-based diet. But spirulina's nutritional resume doesn't stop at protein. It's also rich in iron and B vitamins. Iron, as you may know, is a critical nutrient for maintaining energy levels and supporting healthy blood cells. B vitamins, on the other hand, play a vital role in the body's metabolism, helping to convert food into energy. And let's not forget about spirulina's impressive antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage by free radicals, and spirulina is packed with them. This tiny algae can help bolster your immune system, keeping you healthy and strong. Spirulina can also support heart health. Studies have shown that it can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and even help control blood pressure. Clearly, spirulina is a nutritional powerhouse that's hard to beat. So, why not give it a try and reap its incredible health benefits?